got a red, itchy rash that just won't quit. You tried creams, soaps, maybe even prayed it away, but it keeps coming back. You might be dealing with a fungal rash on your face, and don't worry, I'll show you how to kick it naturally. Fungal rashes happen when yeast or fungi that already live on your skin start multiplying too fast, especially when it's warm, sweaty, or humid. It's common around the nose, cheeks, forehead, or chin and can look like dry, scaly patches, redness, or even small bumps that itch like crazy. And no, it's not because you're dirty, it's because the balance of your skin's microbiome got thrown off. Here's what usually triggers it: hot and humid weather, antibiotics or steroid creams, wearing tight clothing or masks, weak immune system, or stress. Here's what usually triggers it: hot and humid weather, antibiotics or steroid creams, wearing tight clothing or masks, weak immune system, or stress. When that happens, fungi like Candida or Malassezia take over, and that's when the rash shows up. Let's get to the good stuff. Natural ways to calm it down and stop it from spreading. Tea tree oil, a powerful antifungal, but dilute it first. Mix a few drops with coconut oil before applying. Coconut oil fights fungi and keeps your skin soft. Apple cider vinegar helps balance your skin's pH. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water. Dab lightly. Honey or yogurt both soothe and have mild antifungal properties. Use as a face mask for 10 minutes. Antifungal creams. For stubborn cases, grab an OTC cream like clotrimazole or miconazole. Safe and effective. Do this daily. Keep your face clean and avoid using heavy makeup until the rash clears. To keep it from coming back, here's what works. Keep your skin dry. Fungi love moisture. Change sweaty clothes fast. Don't share towels or face cloths. Eat probiotic-rich foods for better skin balance. Manage stress. It affects your immune system and skin. If it doesn't improve in 2 weeks or gets worse, time to call your dermatologist. Fungal rashes are annoying but totally beatable, especially when you combine the right habits with natural care. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more natural health and skin remedies. Because healing doesn't always come from a pill bottle.